my lovely readers. What a lovely day we are having. Welcome back. Today we are going to read one of the book of these. Let's see what is today's book is. That day we read 1, 2, 3 Go book. So today we have to read Fruit Picking Fun. It's a little bit hard to take the book. Let's see. Let's try this. Oops. Okay. Now we have to hold this and this. Here we go. Let's read then. Fruit picking fun. It says, Granny Pig needs fruit for crumble. Luckily, everyone is ready to pick some. Count along as they do. Granny Pig is baking a fruit crumble. I need apples and blackberries, she says. Aye, aye, Granny Pig, everyone replies. One ladder to climb up. There's one ladder. Letter 1. There are 2 children watching. Who is these 2 children? It is Peppa and George. 3 buckets ready for blackberries. 1, 2, 3. 4 blackberries picked. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 5 blackberries bushes growing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blackberry bushes. 6 fruit pickers cheering. There are 6 pickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 7 apples on the tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Shake, 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 shake. 7. 8 birds flying by. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. There are 8 birds. 9 hungry tummies. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 hungry tummies. Yum, 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 yum. 10 bowls of delicious crumble. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the biggest one for me and for you. It is 10. 10 bowls of delicious crumbles. 10. It's end. We will see you again with another beautiful counting book. Till then, love you all. Bye bye.
BookTube Kids.